Hi everyone, welcome back here once again. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with us all banana puff puff recipe, a Nigerian recipe. So sit back, relax and watch me put all of the ingredients together. Thank you. So the first ingredient is one big banana. I'll just use my fork to mash it all down. You can use potato masher. When that is done, I add in one egg, which is actually optional. I'll mix the two together and then I'm going to be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of sugar, and 1 sachet of yeast. I am using instant yeast, so I do not need to activate it with warm water. Next, I add in 1/8 teaspoon of salt and also half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I am adding in warm water, 300 ml of warm water, and I'm going to mix all of that together. First of all, I start by using my spatula to mix. And then at some point, I'm going to take out the spatula and use my hand to beat it all up. I'll beat and make sure that everything is well mixed and there are no lumps in it. Please give this video a like. I also like to hear from you guys. Please drop me your thoughts and your comments. Let's interact in the comment section. All done now, I'll just cover and leave it for 1 hour to proof or double in size. After 1 hour, now the dough is actually ready, but first of all, I want to add in oil into my frying pan so that can start heating up. Here is the dough. You can all see that it has actually doubled in size, well proofed. So I just beat out the air and we are going to start to scoop into the hot oil. Before that, I added in onions just to, give a bit of fragrance to the oil. If you do not know how to use the hand method, I'm just showing us that you can use an ice cream scoop to drop in your puff puff to give you that round circle balls. But then I'm going to use my hand. I'll just lift enough quantity and I'm using my thumb like to cut in the size of the puff puff. It's quite very easy if you get the right consistency with your puff puff dough. So most important, to achieve that round puff puff, beautiful round puff puff shape, make sure you have the right consistency in the dough. If the dough is not right, it will be difficult for you to achieve the round puff puff shape. So I'll just do this. Make sure you do not overcrowd your pan as well. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much to those who have been supporting me over time, watching my videos, dropping me their thoughts, reacting to my videos. I truly appreciate it. Please, if you're not subscribed already or following my Facebook page, please subscribe and also follow my Facebook page. I truly will appreciate it. Also of key importance is make sure you fry your puff puff in medium heat. If your heat is too high, it will get burnt and it will not cook inside. If your heat is too low, your puff puff will soak up oil. So this is ready. Already I have paper towel in a tray to receive the puff puff so as to help drain out any oil. And it is ready. I'll just show you all what it looks like inside, that it is well cooked. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you've watched to this point, I truly appreciate you and I love you all. I'll see you all in another video. Bye bye.